Oh, what the fuck? Where's the Prelude? Oh shit, there it is. Piece of shit Prelude. What's up, everyone? Finally got the bitch on the floor. Turned it on, drove it around the block. Got some oil leaks, but I don't think it's anything too serious, I hope. I mean, there's a big old leak that's forming like somewhere over here. Where are you, beautiful leak? Well, it's somewhere over there, but yeah, it's forming like somewhere over there. So I'm gonna just take it to the shop, screw it, and get that done over there with them. And I have an exhaust leak, but I'm assuming maybe because I didn't do the tightening in the proper sequence. But I'm just gonna have them put in a new gasket and make them do it over there. Maybe they can install the bolt on that one too, because I kind of broke the bolt. So yeah, they can do that too. It doesn't seem like I have a crack on here. So yeah, I'm gonna have them do that. And then my speedometer is not working, which is great. So I'm assuming it's the VSS sensor, which I hope it's not, because they're pretty hard to find for these cars. But then again, it's OBD1, so probably not. But I know for my 89 Prelude, it was very difficult to find. But yeah, I mean, I drove it around. It needs an alignment really bad. But it's crazy. Like, you could take a super sharp turn with this 4WS system. It's pretty badass. But it's all on all fours. I'm about to wash it right now. I'm about to clean the crap out of the engine bay as well. Use some purple power. But also, something came in the mail. Let me just move the box over here. I got it for the Prelude, but this is what it is. This big old box right here. So let's see what it is. It's nice and long. I got a C-pillar bar for the Prelude. Yay! Yeah, I got a C-pillar bar. Don't know why, I just got it out of whim. And to be honest, I want to blame Extreme Daily Drivers, because watching his videos for his Prelude just motivated the crap out of me. Like, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna buy these parts. So yeah, I bought that. And probably after I get this exhaust leak done, I'm probably gonna put a new front, new glass on the front, because it's cracked, and I want to get it installed anyway, because I'm about to repaint the trim right here in the front, and I'm going to reinstall it. I mean, I have these clips that are broken, but I found a source for these, even though you can't find them anywhere, but I found a source. So I'm gonna order these brand new, so I can just put the metal trim on there, and also this trim, which I'm going to paint probably tomorrow or something, because I'm not working all week today, because I'm on fall break for my job, because I work for my school district, so the kids are on fall break, so that means I'm on break. And since I don't have a car to drive really far away, except for my Delta, which is non-registered, I can't drive it to my second job, sadly. I drive it to my first job, but I take like back streets. It's risky, but I do it anyway, just so I can at least be working one job, which pays well. And my second job also pays well, but I have to drive like 5 miles. No, hell no. Probably like 10 miles to get there, 10 miles back, and it's pretty risky driving my Delta hella far. So yeah, but anyway, that's what I got. C-pillar bar. She's on 4s now. So I'm gonna give her a wash, and I'm probably going to install the visors right now too after I give her a wash. But I'm hoping that my cousin-in-laws could come over so they can record me installing them, so you guys can see how it looks like on the before and after. So peace, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Ask questions, But yeah, peace.